I'm going to boil fresh raw peanut. I'm gonna pour some peanut in there. I'm gonna wash it. Get ready to boil it. Stuff right there. Going to turn the stove on. So when I'm done, I'm going to have a really good time eating it. I love eating fresh boiled peanut with no salt, just water. I just wash it with water and then boil it. And then when it's ready, that's going to be my snack after my exercise. Okay. Everyone is different. So see you when it's done. We're going to enjoy it together. So next, I'm about to make some nice fresh green smoothie. I have my cucumber, celery. I'm not going to wash everything because I'm not going to use everything. Just making a little bit just for today. Pineapple. I'll peel the pineapple. And then I have my ginger and my green apple. See green apple? Then I have my bananas. I'm only going to use half of the banana or maybe just a little bit. I'm not really going to use everything at the same time. Okay. And after that, I'm going to have a very healthy, nice green smoothie. Going to peel my pineapple. There we go. So I really don't like to eat pineapple, but I like to juice it. It tastes a little bit. It's not really my thing. Pineapple. Sweet. So I'm going to put some in the cup. Not pretty much. See, the juice is not going to be that much because I'm not making a lot. I make it fresh every day. Put my green apples. Just gonna put a little bit of the green apples. And then my celery. Cucumber. The rest of it goes straight in the refrigerator. A little bit of banana. Ginger. I'm gonna put some coconut water. I can't really drink coconut water too much by itself because it actually gives me a headache. I'm not sure why, but it is what it is. See, I'm putting all this coconut water in there right now. I'm going to check and see if the peanuts is ready. Okay. This isn't bad. It's cooking. I actually like it well done. It's almost ready. For some people, this is too much. It's overcooked. But for me, I like it well done. This isn't bad. I think it's ready. Okay, it's ready. Going to drain it. I'm gonna drain the water. Woo, nice and hot. So I'm gonna blend it now. So it's ready. I'm gonna open it. Ice, some ice. I'm gonna pour this smoothie in here. I don't think I have any straw, so I'm just gonna drink it like that. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. This is really good.